Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today I sit in front of you with a few questions in my pocket. I ask that if sins had an odor, would anyone sit beside you? I asked that if intentions were transparent, would anyone ever trust you? I asked that if only expressions outmasked the reality, would anyone even want to look at you? No. Our collective answer to all of these questions is no. And this no tells us that I have failed. You have failed, and we all have failed. We failed as a society to be at a moral status, and yet we blame power. We have failed as a society to be pure in objections, and yet all we do is blame power. We have failed as a society to continue the systems, and yet we have the audacity to blame power. I ask, does power corrupt? Or does absolute power corrupt absolutely? No, ladies and gentlemen. It is high time that we condemn these opinion-based statements to captivate people's thoughts. It is high time that the word power holds authority and sense of accountability. It is high time that people in power justify their actions. हम अक्सर कहते हैं कि मैंने खुद तो कुछ नहीं किया, बस उसको रोका नहीं, उसी ने करप्शन की है. लेकिन करप्शन करने वाले को देखकर अनदेखा करना is a गुनाह more than corruption itself. क्योंकि by doing this, you're not only setting an example कि जो करप्शन करता है वो आराम से बच जाएगा, but also कि मुझे इस दुनिया से कोई गर्ज नहीं, मैं सिर्फ अपने मामलों में बोलता हूँ. तो फिर वही आदमी जब उसके अपने साथ करप्शन होती है, कोई हक नहीं रखता कि वो ये आवाज़ उठा सके कि मेरे लिए अब कोई लड़े, क्योंकि what goes around comes around. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, power is the measure of a man's character. Power is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Dear all, it is not power that corrupts, but the fear to lose it. It is not power that corrupts, but the greed that drives it. It is not power that corrupts, but perhaps the weakness of your character that is lured towards it. Niyat, a very powerful yet the most neglectful aspect of our personalities. क्योंकि कोई भी इंसान तब तक आपको करप्शन की तरफ नहीं लेके जा सकता जब तक आपकी अपनी नीयत में खोट ना हो. वो कहते हैं ना, मासूम सिर्फ वही है जिसको अभी तक मौका नहीं मिला. पावर, ताकत, हुकूमत, इन बाइज़्ज़त अल्फाजों को आज से पहले कभी इतनी नीच और हकारत की नज़र से नहीं देखा गया. और इसकी सबसे बड़ी वजह क्या है? करप्शन दैट अ लिटिल ब्रेन एसोसिएट्स विद इट. नॉनदलेस वी आर इनकेपेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मसला बिल्डिंग के गिरने में नहीं, उसको बनाने वाले में होता है. इसी तरह मसला पावर में नहीं, मसला पावर में आकर करप्शन करने वाले लोगों में होता है. Power is just as sacred as it should be. It is corruption that should be hated. Diving deeper into the past, I see purest of souls making the right use of power. I see in front of me Prophet bleeding outside the gate of Taif, and yet rejecting to pray for their destruction. What he did made the right use of power. I see in front of me Muhammad Ali Jinnah suffering from disease like tuberculosis, and yet hiding it for the sake of his people. What did he do? Made the right use of power. I turn to my west and see Nelson Mandela, grieved and lost upon the death of his mother. And what does he do? Focus on his mission. The right use of power. Dear fellows, pause and think that when children as small as an entity of a class can't abide by the rules in absence of a teacher's power, how can an entire globe function without it? So ये कह देना कि पावर के ना होने से करप्शन ख़त्म हो जाएगी is a concept entirely wrong. Power has, can and will continue to do wonders because it was nothing but power that Allah gave to His messengers that did great wonders. So dear viewers, I ask to blame the systems, not power. To blame the corruption, not power. To blame the characters of the people, not power. I request you all to pledge to survive, not steal. To pledge to build, not bribe, to pledge to combat, not conquer. For blaming power of corruption is just the weakness of your hearts over the artwork of Satan and is nothing but a blind hope, a blind success, leading to ultimate blindness in hell. So I leave you all with a question and ask once again, do you still think that it is power that corrupts?